Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel. I wish somebody would have told me before delivery that you're supposed to take care of your nipples before you deliver. I really wish somebody told me that, because I really got to know that when you had already delivered well. That is what exactly we're going to talk about today in this video. Well, my name's Abeti. In this channel we focus on creating life solution. And yeah, so make sure you stay tuned till the end. Subscribe if you've not, comment, share and like. If you didn't know, now you do know that your nipples are supposed to be attended even before you deliver, right? Sounds weird, but it really does help. Well, it is. I learned this at the hospital. Remember, I told you I'll be sharing with you whatever I learned and whatever I'm still learning. So I learned at the hospital that your nipples are supposed to be attended to at least 2 weeks or a month before you deliver. Yes, this will enable you to have ample time, especially when the baby has already been born. Because, okay, women are different. Like, per se, me, personally, I struggle with breast milk, especially after delivery. So I always have to wait at least for 2 or 3 days so that the milk can come. Otherwise, the baby always just latch as he or she prepares or learns how to breastfeed. Yeah, but I was told if I had started that early, say before I deliver, it would have been so good on me, right? Like maybe the milk would have come early. So let me show you how you exactly do this. One, a month or weeks before delivery, you're supposed to start massaging the breast. Like, you do simple massage, but you don't do it daily. You have to do it like twice every week, and you don't use any just any oil. You use natural oil, that is coconut oil, that is avocado oil, that is palm oil, like any natural oil. Don't use any other oil or massage oil. Natural oils are so beneficial. We know that from their benefit. They're beneficial in our bodies and in everything. So while you're pregnant, this is the best oils that are recommended that you can use. And the next thing you're supposed to do after, now, like, this is a month before you deliver, right? Now, these are, you do this till you deliver, okay? Now, after delivering, how do you take care of your nipples? Because again, you're trying to make sure the baby doesn't get any problems health-wise, right? So, some years back, we were told that before breastfeeding, you're supposed to wipe your breast, wipe your nipples, but right now, actually, it's said you're not supposed to wipe it so that the baby can recognize the smell, your smell, and the smell of the milk, so that they can breastfeed easily and comfortably. Yes, that is what they're recommending right now. So how do you go about it? Especially if you're a working mom. Let me share with you what I do every morning after I wake up. I just have to take a shower before. Okay, of course the baby has breastfed through the night, right? But just to be clean and health-wise, I just shower. But if you're a mom who's working, you can wipe off, cause not the breast, but around the breast, cause you've been working, you've been sweating the whole day. Just wipe, and then the baby can breastfeed. Make sure your hands are clean again, right? Because you're going to use those hands. And then, like, around your breast, they're like black. There's that black spot right at the center. um, you have to find that, locate that, because that is exactly where the milk is coming from. Okay, now, how do you position the baby? You just position the baby, his or her tummy should attach on your tummy. Then you're going to the baby with the nipple. Then after they've just opened their mouth, just make sure you insert the whole nipple, let them suck, and that is the only way they're going to latch very well. Okay, that's how the milk will come out so much. That is the proper way of breastfeeding. You won't have any nipple crack or nipple pain. After they latch, what you just have to observe is, you have to make sure while you're bathing, you don't rub the nipples. Don't rub the nipples. Just wash your body. You can sponge wipe or something, but don't rub the nipples. Another way of taking care of that nipple is by making sure that you wear cotton clothes. Synthetic clothes are so bad, and you'll notice that when you deliver, you really sweat so much. So imagine putting on a synthetic cloth. It's preferred the cotton clothes, because they're going to be so comfortable with your nipples, with yourself, and with your baby. They're not going to bring any harm. Still on taking care of the nipples. I know by this time you're using either nursing bras or just regular bras, and if you are, you're probably using nursing pads. Make sure that you wash those nursing pads every other time after use. They have soaked with milk. They really prone to get bacteria and all those that going around, so make sure you wash them before use. You can never reuse a nursing pad, so make sure you wash them at least before use. They really dry up so much, especially I'm talking to moms who are using reusable like me. Okay, make sure you wash them before reuse. Another tip on how to take care of your nipples so that to ensure you have a very good healthy baby is wearing breathable clothes. Don't okay, you are breastfeeding, especially those first months, you're prone to breastfeed every now and then, and things are meant to get messy. Social media, yeah, but let's leave social media one time. You all know what I'm talking about. You have to wear very breathable clothes that you can easily breastfeed. The moment they're selling nursing dresses, nursing clothes, or just make sure the clothes that you're using is breathable and the baby can breastfeed any other time that they want to breastfeed, so that it's also easy on you. Another tip on how to take care of your nipples is by making sure the clothes that you've worn, however less or minimal you have them, make sure you wash them every now and then after use. Just make sure you wash them, because I'm so sure after breastfeeding there's a point that they soak with that milk, right? Yeah, make sure that you wash that cloth, hang it out. By the time you're maybe showering or exchanging, you have another one. Even if you have two, trust me, you can make it just by reciprocating them. Just make sure that they are so clean. Okay, are we good up to there? Yeah, I think that we are going to talk about, but I'm not doing this. This is for the working moms. If you have that pumping machine, make sure that you maintain hygiene on it. Yeah, make sure that you wash it every now and then. Make sure that it's clean every time before pumping, and after pumping, just soak them in hot water. Make sure they are clean even before doing the next cycle of milk, because I know that is my baby waking up. Yeah, because I know there are moms who pump, then they go to work. So make sure by the time you're coming back, this thing is very clean for later use. Okay, and that way you make sure even the milk that you're pumping. Apparently, we'll be recording some of the videos with this one. So that will make sure that the breast that you're even storing is so good for the baby, and it's going to save you some visits to the hospital. Because trust you me, if those things are not clean, that means even the needle that you're pumping is not going to be safe for that baby. I hope all those tips are going to save you from nipple crack. Remember, if you've not watched the other video, I said that you really don't need these nipple creams. Trust you me, you don't need those nipple cream. If you're using it, just put it on the side, and then uh, try just breastfeed that baby correctly. Just breastfeed that baby correctly, and you'll notice that you don't have nipple cracks, you don't have any nipple pain, and your breastfeeding journey is going to be so well. Trust me, I tried that and it's working. And as I said, I regret buying that nipple cream, because okay, that thing is very expensive, but honestly you just don't need it. It's just this social media thing, but of course it's business, people are in business. But if you really want the best for your baby, don't use that thing. Just breastfeed your baby nicely. And that comes to the end of this video. I hope you've learned one or two something, or if I've left something out, kindly share so that I can also learn from you, because I'm exclusively breastfeeding right now. So yeah, those are the things that I came to learn about taking care of the nipples. So see you on the next one. I'm insisting on subscribing. Kindly subscribe, share, comment, and like. See you on the next one.